My name is Josh Alb, Director of Manufacturing here at Atomic Machine, based out of Naples, Florida. We have three divisions: aerospace, medical, and defense. Here lately, defense has been the main component of our business. With the defense aspect of our industry, we are using mill turns, vertical mills, as well as lathes. We produce Glock barrels, SIG barrels, basically any barrel out there that'll fire a bullet. As far as aerospace is concerned, we do stuff for the government, most of which I cannot speak about. And I'm getting nervous. In the medical part of our business, we deal a lot with components that are used in practice to help develop new procedures and surgeries and advancing that field. Currently, we have 6 DNM 4500s. We use those largely in part of producing our gun barrels for the Glock aftermarket business. The Lynx and the Puma lathes as well have been a contributing factor to our success. We run those things day and night, and they are really solid machines that help us get ahead of production on the milling side, so it's not always a crammed pace that we have to keep in the lathe department. Currently, with the market being in the defense industry, we have secured another 15,000 square feet of manufacturing space. In that space, we plan on adding anywhere from 15 to 20 more machines from APT to help us. APT is going to be a large part of our success, and we are looking forward to working with them in this new venture.